Hello and welcome to another Boozang feature release. Now it's the 8.1 release, where 8 was the major release, where we introduced dark mode, light mode, and many UI updates. In this release, we have some bug fixes. When we did those major overhauls for the major release, we had to do a couple of graphical changes. We fixed the icon for trend reports for the date picker. We fixed the filter for plug test case. So a couple of minor fixes, cleanups, but then a major new feature as well, the reporting dashboard that we're super excited about. As usual, when you scroll down on the new guest site, you'll find the release notes here, and the latest release notes can always be found on the top of the recent forum posts. So click in here, and as we said, new feature around this reporting dashboard. And the idea is that we've consolidated, the reports you would have inside the ID tool on your Jenkins server, the Cucumber reports, the trend reports, and also the root cause analysis in one single dashboard, and made it much easier to manage and to draw business insights and really understand what are the real underlying issues of your application. We also added a couple of things inside the tool. I'll show you this first, and then I'm going to do a deeper dive on the reporting dashboard in a separate video. So let's launch the ID, and I'll just show you a really neat feature that goes beyond the search. So before, when you wanted to search something similar to Visual Studio Code, you would go to the search here. Instead now, in every tree, even if you're on module, on the Cucumber features, or in the model explorer or component explorer, you have this filter. So now you can just freely type in here, and this allows you to simply navigate the tree quicker without switching to the search back and forth. So we think this is going to make it much easier for you and faster to navigate. Then, besides for a couple of cleanups and fixes, we've also added this reporting dashboard that I will cover in a separate video, because this is a lot of features in here. But the idea is, instead of going to your Jenkins server or to your root cause analysis or going into the ID tool for the trend reports, we'll have everything in one place, and we allow you to also filter the time here. So this will give you a comprehensive overview of the state and the time evolution of your testing. So I will cover this in a separate screen capture, but I hope you really enjoy this release and provide us some feedback what you want to see inside this reporting dashboard. So enjoy.